So John, 2 years of waiting, you're finally inside. Is it what you thought?
It's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool. Very beautiful, clean. Definitely an upgrade from the last one I have. I still have it, the 06, the Can-Am. So yes, it's very, it's amazing.
Good morning, everyone. What's going on? Today is a new day, but if you can already tell in the background, we're not at the shop. We're actually in a really cool location. We are in Pontiac, Michigan at the M1 Concourse racetrack. Cody has a good friend and a client that's taking delivery of something that's the first in the United States. He's been waiting 2 years for this thing. If you can see it, it's in the box. We're literally going to unbox it right now. Stay tuned for this because you're not going to want to miss this.
So today will be fun.
Yeah, what do you, you're starting to unbox.
What's that?
I said you're starting to unbox.
Yeah, there's a lot of screws to undo.
A lot of screws.
So I guess there's a lot of screws loose now.
I mean, it's so crazy. Like, you just see these in videos. This box is not that big. So that should give you an indication of what could potentially be in here. So, John?
Yes.
What do you think?
It's pretty sick. Over 2 years waiting for it. It's pretty amazing. Ultima RS, bright orange, pretty cool.
I mean, look, I know you were saying with me that there was a lot of upgraded carbon bits. I mean,
it's all the carbon,
everything.
chassis upgrade, interior upgrade, wheel upgrade, brake upgrade, wing upgrade, aero upgrade, a little bit of everything.
Look at the shine on this. You said 2 years in the making.
It was a 2.5 year waiting list, yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, first one in the U.S.
First one in the U.S. And that's just a rolling chassis.
Yes, so it's going to have a 427 all aluminum motor, twin turbo, sequential electronic gearbox, 1,500 horsepower.
What's the goal with this thing?
Originally the goal was to try and go 327, beat the record at the all fastest speed for a license plate car. And I'm not sure if that's really the goal anymore. Now it's just going to be a cool rally car. Not a track car, just a driver, stereo, air, just like a gumball rally type of car.
This is so crazy.
First time jumping in the Ultima RS, October 23rd, here at M1 Concourse.
And it is a tight fit.
I am in.
And you are in. How does it feel?
Pretty good. Oh, we got the seat belt up my butt. That's good. There we go.
All right, where do we think the suspension drop is at? Oh, right there, up and down, I think. Is that it? I'm thinking it's that one.
There we go. Down or up?
That's going on. That's going on. So go the other one. Okay, so I think it was all the way down.
Really?
There's just no engine in it, so there's no weight up there.
Gotcha.
But it was trying to go up. It was compressing the springs. So now we know.
Yeah. So we got windshield wiper, blinkers.
I like that it's all steering wheel.
Where's the shifter going to be though?
We gotta add that to behind. So the steering wheel's gonna unbolt, and then the shifter is gonna go probably. They'll be out here. They'll be out pretty close.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Start.
So John, 2 years of waiting, you're finally inside. Is it what you thought?
It's pretty awesome. It's pretty cool. Very beautiful, clean. Definitely an upgrade from the last one I have. I still have it, the 06, the Can-Am. So yes, it's very, it's amazing. So it's a pretty cool car. So I'm very excited, and I can't wait to get the motor in it and get her down the road.
Perfect.
It'll happen like overnight, just in a weekend of work.
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
While you were running garbage, I wanted to kind of plan out the turbo kit.
Yeah.
So come here. So the engine, you know, they sit pretty low, right?
Yeah.
Engine's there. I'm gonna do a turbo here, somewhere in there. Turbo on the other side. It's gonna be mirror image. Intake is gonna come up here. Wait till Mitch catch up. Intake's gonna do this, and the filter's gonna be right there. Okay. So we'll get cold air intake from the scoop.
Yeah.
And you'll hear things above your head. Yes. Yeah. The exhaust is gonna come out. I'm either gonna run it above or I'll snake it down below. It kind of depends on how big the transmission is.
Yeah.
Speaking of transmission, we may have to modify some stuff. So it'll be pretty again, don't worry. But maybe not, it just depends. I think it's gonna be fine. But either way, so turbo here, and then I'm gonna do water to air intercooler, which I think I'm going to do one cooler. Either way, if we did one big cooler right here, we would have great airflow for the water to cool off. Mm-hmm. If not, I would do two, and there'd be one over there as well.
Water using the antifreeze.
Yes, but not the engine antifreeze. It's a separate system. It uses its own little water pump. They use them in all the NSXs. I've done hundreds. So that way you don't have to try. I mean, we could try to do an air in a cooler, but it's really hard with mid-engine cars because there's no bumper, right, for direct air. So you do water coolers, which are easier to package. I'd probably try to do one on each side, just a mirror for each turbo. And then either I would do a combined water to air intercooler that kind of sits back there and blows into the throttle body, or I would do individuals, depending on how packaging works. So that's that.
Sweet.
We can do titanium exhaust, and do all kinds of good stuff.
Awesome.
I got a bunch of tie. Mitch picked one up the other day. He about pooped himself.
Yeah, I was like, that's it?
Awesome. So, but yeah, I wanted to look at that before I left, so I could envision it.
Okay.
And down she goes.
So that was definitely worth the trip down. Mitch is taking some last minute bangers. John's working.
Hello.
So at some point this winter, as soon as transmission gets here, all of that, and as soon as I have room, we get to do the turbo build, engine install, oil system plumbing, tuning. We'll be using Haltech Nexus R5 on this one because they'll control the transmission just fine. So that'll be at some point soon, I hope.
All right, I think that wraps it up for us.
Yeah, went pretty well. It was the easiest car I've ever unpacked. Also the first car I've ever unpacked. But yeah, looks great. Everything's beautiful.
I was about to say, your last reaction and initial thoughts?
Thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate it. Can't wait to get this thing on the road. Cody's going to build it out, put a big two turbos on it, going for about 1,500 horse. And it should be awesome, but just excited to get it after 2.5 years. And chassis number 4 in the world, and first one in the U.S. So pretty awesome.
And,
I was going to say, thank you for the honor.
Yeah, no kidding. It's pretty cool. So then what we'll do, get it, build it, get it running, dyno tuned.
Yeah.
You get to come up and get first drive. Because I want to spend a little bit of time with it to make sure I got it tuned right and all that. So he'll get first drive. I'm going to drive it on dyno first.
Shooting for April. April's our goal.
Yeah. So
should be clear enough to get some
December
tests.
yes. So then we'll get them both. But so then transmission gets here November-ish is what they've told me for both. Both of them will be here. And then you said the engine's done or almost?
Watch them.
Okay. So yeah, April's a good goal. I think we make it happen. Plus, we can drive. So
Yeah, I was going to say, that's kind of our biggest thing.
yeah, the snow up there is gone by about April. So awesome.
All right, well, thank you again, sir. Really
Thank you
do
so much.
appreciate it.
You guys are awesome.
And we're excited to see it when it's done.
So, seem to always have like, do not try this at home moments.
Here's how good old boys get the dirt or the wood to the dumpster.
Yes. Okay. Now we got to turn around.
This is the crate for the Ultima. That weighs more than the Ultima.
Probably.